Welcome. So in this channel, I'm gonna show you how to copy a server in Discord. So first of all, you need to open your Discord and then click on the server that you want to copy. And then as you can see here on the upper left corner of your screen, you can click the name of the server, and then here you want to click on server settings and then click server template, and then here you can put your template title. You can name it whatever you want, and then if you want to preview the template, just click that preview template and then click create, and then just click copy, and then you can click this X. And here, as you can see here on the home page of your Discord, this is the template that you copied. Okay, and then that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.